Hello everyone, myself Jayanti.
Myself, Kitana.
So our project is enhancing multilingual sign language recognition with handcrafted features and deep learning techniques, guided by Dr. S. Karpulali, Assistant Professor, CSE Department. Introduction: Sign language is a crucial communication tool for deaf community. Multimodal feature fusion convolution neural network is a novel multilingual multimodal SLR system that is designed to improve the performance across different lightning conditions using a combination of handcrafted features and deep learning models. Objectives: to develop a robust multilingual language recognition system that handles various eliminating changes by integrating handcrafted features and deep learning models. So there are three datasets we're handling: American, Turkish, and Pakistan. So this is our system diagram for multimodal feature fusion convolution neural network. So input is the image. First, initially we do feature extraction, A star channel and Hawk features. So A star channel, using A star channel because it specifically highlights color information along the green red spectrum. By isolating the A star channel, the model focuses more on color difference rather than brightness. Next, Hawk features. Hawk is a classical computer vision descriptor that focuses on the shape and the structure of object in an image. So this will capture the texture patterns which are crucial for distinguishing different hand postures or shapes.
To enhance the quality of the input data, the handcrafted features and the original images are undergone image processing pre-processing techniques such as normalization, augmentation, and resizing to ensure that the model trained on diverse set of examples. And then the RGB images and the A-star channel features and the Hawk features are processed by separate CNN branches which are customized according to the inputs. And then each CNN branches outputs a feature maps. The feature maps from three CNN branches such as RGB, A-star channel, and Hawk features are flattened and then combined and then feeds into the fully connected layer followed by the softmax layer. The softmax layer classifies the input into the specific sign of the label. Then these are the implementation results of the feature extraction module. This is the A star channel image extracted from the RGB image, and then this is the Hawk feature extracted from the original RGB images. And then the implementation results are represented in the form of confusion matrix, which shows the actual versus predictor labels, indicating how well the model is performing. This is the confusion matrix for American Sign Language, and then this is the table showing the results for the American Sign Language. Consists of A star channel image and hog image and the actual label and the predictor label. And then this is the confusion matrix for Pakistani Sign Language. And then this is the implementation result table for Pakistani Sign Language, showing how well the model performs on the Pakistan dataset. And this is the Turkish Sign Language confusion matrix. And then this is the implementation result table for Turkish Sign Language. And then finally the bar graph shows the comparison of evaluation metrics with our proposed mmf cnn with the ResNet 50 and the mobilenet v2. This bar graph indicates that our model outperforms other models with the highest accuracy of 92.38%, indicating that our model classifies the labels correctly in large number.
So this is our social impacts: reduce social isolation by enabling deaf individuals to participate more socially and communication activities.